In the vibrant town of Chromaville, known for its lively and colorful streets, there was an event that everyone eagerly anticipated each year: the Happy Rainbow Parade. It was a celebration of joy, unity, and the magic of colors, with the entire town coming together to join the festivities. Among the excited crowd, there were two best friends, Maya and Leo. They were the heart and soul of the parade, as they had the delightful task of designing the main float each year. This year, their vision was to create a float that would bring the magical rainbow from the sky to the streets of Chromaville. As the day of the parade approached, Maya and Leo worked tirelessly, infusing their joy and creativity into the float. They used radiant flowers, shimmering fabrics, and glowing paints, creating a vibrant cascade of colors that truly captured the essence of a rainbow. The day of the Happy Rainbow Parade arrived, ushering in a wave of excitement that swept across Chromaville. Maya and Leo watched with twinkling eyes as their float, a breathtaking rainbow on wheels, took its place at the head of the parade. As the float meandered through the lively streets, the spectators erupted in cheer. Children laughed and danced, adults admired the spectacle, and everyone was filled with joy. The float glowed brilliantly under the sunny sky, its colors reflecting onto the faces of the crowd, making everyone a part of the rainbow parade. As Maya and Leo walked beside their float, they felt a sense of happiness and pride. They had successfully brought the rainbow from the sky to their town, spreading joy and unity among their fellow townsfolk. However, the true magic happened when a light drizzle started to fall. The sun peeked through the clouds, casting a beautiful, natural rainbow across the sky. The sight of two rainbows, one in the sky and the other parading on the ground, left the spectators in awe. The Happy Rainbow Parade became a moment of pure bliss and a memory that Maya, Leo, and the people of Chromaville would cherish forever. The parade concluded with laughter, applause, and hearts full of color. Maya and Leo, the architects of the magnificent Rainbow Parade, realized that they had not only created a visual spectacle, but also a symbol of hope, unity, and the simple joy of colors. From that day forward, the Happy Rainbow Parade was remembered as a day when the sky and the earth danced together in a ballet of colors, proving that the magic of unity and joy can paint even the ordinary with the colors of the extraordinary. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.